Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine, and today I'm going to share a sweet recipe which is called as Kesari Bath. I hope you guys try this and like it as well. So in order to make this, these are the ingredients that's required. So we have rava, sugar, we need water guys, of course, and we need some dry fruits, a pinch of yellow food color, 3 to 4 cardamom, and a pinch of saffron. I've also taken ghee, about 8 teaspoons, 8 to 9 teaspoons. So these are all the ingredients that's required to make this easy sweet. So now starting off with, I've taken a pan here to which I'm adding water first. So if you're taking 1 cup of suji, you'll have to take 3 cups of water. That's the measurement. So add the water in a bowl and let it boil. It should be very hot. It should be boiling water. Keep it on the other side. Now take a pan here to which add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Roast your dry fruits first. Once the ghee is hot, make sure that the flame is in medium so that the dry fruits will not get burnt. So at this stage, take off the dry fruits and keep it aside. To the same pan again, add 1 or 2 more teaspoons of ghee, and then add suji. Now just roast it until it changes its color. So you can add more ghee if you like it. I mean, we prefer not too much of ghee, and that's why we have added it accordingly. Now add the boiling water to the suji once the suji is little fried, and make sure you break all the lumps that's formed while you're adding the water, and let the suji cook and get thickened with this water. If you can see, the water is getting absorbed and it is getting thick now. At this stage, add 2 to 3 cardamom. If you're using elaichi powder, then use half a teaspoon of elaichi powder. We are using the whole cardamom, so we just crushed it and we are adding it around 3 to 4 of them. And then give it a gentle mix. Now add the food color and mix that as well completely. So make sure at this stage as well you break all the lumps that is formed while you're mixing the food color with the suji. So now you can check the taste guys. If in case you want more sweet, then you can add it at this stage. And finally, add your fried dry fruits and garnish it. Now once the dry fruit is added, there is an option. If you want, you can add the saffron. I have used here. So if you want, you can add it. Otherwise, that's absolutely fine guys. And here we go. Our Kesari Bath sweet is ready to savor. You must try this, and do let me know in the comment section below as to how it came up for you guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any other suggestions or any recipes that you want to know, please do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to share it with you guys. Until I see you next on my next video, please take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.